Joining me now, attorney Elliot Berke, an expert in election law. Elliot, thanks for being here.
Great to be with you.
First, let's go over the legality of this. You've seen this video, what this group alleges. What about the legality of what's happening? Are they breaking the law?
Well, the first thing we need to look at is whether or not there's a public communication, and it's not clear to me from the video they put out that there actually is a public communication. That really means a paid political advertisement, so something in the newspaper, broadcast, satellite, something like that. Here, it looks like there just were protesters dressed up as Donald Ducks that had appeared, but I doubt the FEC would see that as a public communication.
What about the interaction between the Clinton campaign, the DNC, and this outside group? Numerous times in this video it says that it was Hillary Clinton's idea to deploy these ducks directly, the candidate.
Well, that's a different question, because anytime a candidate committee or a political party is working with an outside group, you get into possible in-kind contributions. And here, the allegation is that the candidate herself may have directed an outside group to engage in this behavior, and if so, that could be an in-kind contribution. In-kind contributions can be permissible, but they need to be reported. But because we're dealing with an outside third-party group here, that group may also take corporate contributions. And if that's the case, then it clearly would be illegal.
Now, that would result in an FEC filing potentially, and that's a long process.
That's correct, yeah. Typically, an FEC complaint, once filed, for it to go through the process, we're talking 18 months, maybe even years.
But overall, the perception here that on the first video that was dealing with violence and stirring up violence at Trump rallies, where Robbie Mook and others said they had no relationship with these people at all, and now you see the second video where they clearly have interaction and maybe even direction from the candidate. It's a different story on these two videos.
It is, and obviously that's a question for the voters in terms of trustworthiness, but in terms of the law, if there was actual conversations about doing this, if there was knowing and willful violations, then yes, that could get into a criminal investigation.
Okay. Elliot, thanks for being here.
My pleasure. Thank you.